How Adani become Adani. Chapter 3. Seeing what others ignore. Before we begin today's chapter, let us briefly remember our journey. In chapter 1, we learned that every empire begins with decision. Gautam Adani chose uncertainty over comfort and started building confidence instead of chasing security. In chapter 2, we ended the marketplace, the greatest business school in the world. We learned that trading develops observation, prudence, and competence, fortitude, and a pragmatic mindset. Today, we arrive at a lesson that separates ordinary businessmen from extraordinary builders, seeing what others ignore. Because fortitude are rarely built by following the crowd, they are built by noticing what crowd has not yet noticed. The crowd looks, builders observe. Walk through any business market. Thousands of people see the same shops, the same road, the same customer, the same businesses. Yet only a few people discover opportunities. Why? Because seeing and observation are two different things. Many people look, few truly observe. Observation is not about eyesight, it is about insight. A businessman with a astute mind notices details that others misses. He asks questions others never ask. Why is this product selling? He asks question other never ask. Why is this product selling fast? Why are trucks always waiting here? Why is the sport becoming busier every year? Small observations often become billion-dollar businesses. Opportunity never announces itself. Many people imagine opportunities arrive with certainty. They imagine a perfect business idea, a guaranteed investment, a risk free opportunity. Reality is very different. Opportunity usually arrive wearing ordinary clothes. It looks boring, it looks small, it looks uncertain. That is why most people ignore it. When Adani entered business, India was changing. Trade was increasing, imports and exports were growing. Infrastructure was growing, infrastructure was improving. Many people notices today's businesses, very few imagine tomorrow's business. The difference created ascendancy. Ascendancy doesn't happen overnight. It happens when someone see tomorrow's before everyone else sees tomorrow. The business behind every business. Here is something fascinating. Most people see a product, business builders see the system behind the product. A customer buys a phone, a builder asks where does this material comes from? Who transported them? Who transfer which port received them? Which company supply electricity to manufacture them? Who financed the factory? The deeper you look, the bigger the opportunity becomes. This is why sagacious entrepreneurs never stop at the surface. They investigate the entire plan because values exist in every link. Why small markets become big markets. Many people reject opportunities because they look too small. History repeatedly proved this is wrong. Every great company was once a small company. Every large market has once a small market. The difference is foresight. A resolute entrepreneurs ask if this continue for 10 years, what could it become? While ordinary man judges today's size, builders imagine today's tomorrow's scale. That is one of the greatest advantage in businesses. Competence creates vision. People often believe vision is magic. It is not. Vision usually grows from competence. The more industries you study, the more pattern you recognize. The more customer you meet, the better your judgment becomes. The more mistakes you survive, the sharper your decisions become. This is why competence creates confidence and confidence allow bigger decisions. Notice the difference. Real confidence comes from preparation, not from ego. The power of quit thinking. Modern businesses reward speed, but great decisions often require silence. Many successful entrepreneurs spends time simply thinking, not reacting. Thinking. Marcus Aurelius reflected. Warren Buffett read. Adani studies industry. Different people, same principle. Quiet thinking creates better decision. A pragmatic leader don't confuse activity with productivity. Being busy is not the same as creating value. Something the greatest business decision happens before any action begins. The integrity builds long-term opportunity. Many people believe intelligence alone creates success. Not truly. Business is truly built on trust. Customer trust, bank trust, investors trust, and partners trust. Without integrity, opportunities slowly disappears. A businessman may win one dishonest deal, but he loses future credibility. Integrity is slow, but its components it compounds. Just like money, that is why the strongest company protect their reputation as carefully as their profit. Leadership before authority. One of the greatest misunderstanding before business about business is believing leadership begins after success. Leadership begins before success because anyone follow you, before anyone invests in you, before anyone believes in you. A future leader develops discipline first, then competence, then responsibility. Only after proving those qualities does he delegate responsibilities to others. Delegate is not escaping work. Delegating is multiplying capacities. A wise leader never delegates authorities, accountabilities, only responsibilities. The lesson of this story: imagine two merchants standing beside the same river. One sees water, the other sees transportation. One sees transportation, the other sees international states. One sees international trade, the other sees ports, logistics, warehouse, energy, cities, empire. The river never changes, the observation changes. That is why business rewards prospection more than prediction. The power of timing, because in business, being right at the wrong time can still make you wrong. Thank you so much.